Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making the famous Nigerian street food called Suya. For this recipe we need Suya spices, which is made of granite, ground peanut basically, cayenne pepper and some African spices mix that is known by the Hausa tribe, which is in the northern part of Nigeria. Every Nigerian loves this. To know more about this recipe, keep watching and please subscribe. Suya can either be beef, chicken or turkey, but today we'll be using beef and chicken garnished with onion, tomatoes and sprinkles of suya spices basically, but I'm not using tomatoes guys, I didn't use that. So let's get to business. Suya is made with love and that's why we have our suya spices, oil, Italian seasoning, allspices, black pepper, curry, salt. Feel free to add any other seasoning that you feel would, spice up your suya. It's fine. And yeah. Now I'm going to mix everything together and let it come together as one. Okay, basically make not a paste but like an oil kind of stuff, and then set aside. Get your skewers because these really come handy in helping you turn your meat up and down and your hands not getting burnt. But I'll advise that you soak this in water for a while to avoid burning when you start grilling. Okay, I'm going to put my beef and chicken in the sticks to enable me turn them and then polish them with the oil mix and leave to marinate for about an hour in the fridge. You can leave it longer if you want, but for me an hour was just fine. And I will be showing you guys 3 methods today guys, because I feel like you need to know all the methods and know which one works for you and which is really easy for you to do. So first I'm using a grill pan. Grease your pan with oil and then start grilling. That's the first one. And then the second one, if you want to use an oven, basically you use a grill pan first just to give it that smoky flavor and then transfer it to an oven till it's ready. Okay, that's another method that I feel can work for you. Thirdly, use a barbecue stand with charcoal outside your house or in your backyard or something and start grilling. Trust me, if you use a barbecue stand, you get the real actual flavor of suya. I'm not even going to lie, compared to the other 2 methods that I just stated earlier. Okay, so yeah, just do that. And then while you're grilling, make sure to touch up your meats, your beef, your chicken or your turkey, once in a while with the oil mix, just to give it more flavor. That is the cocoa, that is the main thing in making suya. You need to be touching it up once in a while and make sure to turn it, flip sides basically. Chicken actually cooks faster than beef, so if you're using chicken breast like I did, it's probably not going to take you so long compared to beef. And I prefer when you're using beef, please use lean beef. For this one it was mixed because I couldn't find all lean beef. It was kind of sold out, so yeah, feel free to get lean beef and chicken breast when doing this. So I'm going to tell you guys a little story about my grandma. When we're younger, I think she still does it till now basically. My grandma would literally get suya and would hide it in her wrappers. Like, she doesn't want to share with anybody. That's the thing. Like, once you buy her suya, just forget it. She's not sharing with them, but she's going to give us, but she'll make sure that she hides it in her wrapper for a long time before she will now share it and give to each and every one of us, which was a very good memory for us, and we look forward to it anytime we go to spend Christmas or Easter or any long vacation with her, or weekends where she come around to our family house. And it was just really amazing because we're always like, if Mama comes now, that's how she's going to be hiding suya from us and all of those things. So yeah, that is that. So soya is usually sliced, first of all they grill it in like all these skewers, and then when they want to serve it they are going to slice it in bits and then garnish it with onion, tomatoes and all of that. But for me, I didn't use tomatoes. I just garnished it with onion and then a sprinkle of the soya spices, which just hits home basically. So make sure to try out this recipe, and if you do, tag me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram at dima.jane, so follow me on Instagram as well, and trust me, I follow back. Alright, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Like this video, comment below, tell me if this recipe was helpful to you, if this video was helpful to you. I also have other videos you could check out, other recipes you could check out, that fun videos, challenges and the rest of it. Anyways, what am I telling you? But yeah, you're already here, so just make sure to subscribe. And I want to say thank you guys so much for hanging out with me on this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, peace and love. Bye guys.